I am Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Daniela N. Melbourne, 2nd Class, the Corps Commander of 624th DMST, SEC, ROTC, and Head Corps Staff for Training State. Through joining the ROTC program, it changed my view in life, and I achieved a lot of things I thought I wouldn't accomplish. And eventually, I set the higher rate of my accomplishments that I am truly grateful for since joining the ROTC program. I was elected as the Vice President for Class Talim Darak 2023. Later on, re-elected as the President. I was then instated as the first officer in charge in February 2024. On June 22, I was awarded the Leadership Award and Strong Women's Award. During ROTC Games 2024, I've won 4 gold medals and 1 silver in swimming event. Then, on August, I graduated top 9 of 59 cadet officers during cadet training of Class 2024 Batch Sinag Animo. I became the first Corps Commander for the 624th DMST SEC ROTC on December 22. I had my deliberation board for ROTC COLB and is selected to represent the PAF ROTC in Guam, USA on November. Through this program, I have learned how to manage my time, balancing my academic, sports, and at the same time, doing my part in Corps finally. I have experienced different things and how to actually cope up with the difficulties of life. It gives great impact in building my self-esteem, and that showcases my hidden potential to lead and to influence with my co-mates and the following lower class. This amazing journey.
I am Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Roberto Jr. V. Pama, 2nd Class, Deputy Corps Commander, on the Corps Staff of ISPOR Logistics. Since joining the ROTC, I have learned valuable lessons about leadership, teamwork, and dedication. I have been fortunate to have specific achievements relevant to leadership and the ROTC program. I have received recognition for top 2 in ROTC, Excellence Award, Loyalty Award, Strongman Award. I ranked top 14 out of 59 on Cadre Training Class 2024, Batch Sinag Animo, Military Excellence Award, Gold Medalist on ROTC Games, Rota Raiders 2024. As a Deputy Corps Commander, my fundamental duty is to ensure the discipline of every cadet and overseeing their overall welfare to maintaining their moral stability, leading to motivate and aiming for highest attainment, molding a cadets into their full potential and capability as the future leader. As the Corps Staff for Logistics ISPOR, it is also my responsibility to ensure the safety of the office, to monthly inspection of its facility as well as the inventory of the equipment and things stored in the office, ensuring that all things and equipments are kept well and are on good conditions.
I'm Cadet Major Lorraine G. Tanjing, 2nd Class, Corps Staff for Operation S3, Corps Staff for S1, Personnel Department, and a former Corps Staff for Adjutant. And I was also elected as Peace Officer and Secretary for Class Talim Darak. And I was also one of the graduates for Cadre Training Class Sinag Animo, Batch of 2024. This field training isn't just about memorizing steps. It's about learning. We learn to work together to overcome challenges as a unit. This is more than just an ROTC training. It is an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become better version of ourselves. It is a chance to join our ranks and contribute to the strength and unity of our SEC ROTC. From this field training, I have learned the importance of discipline, the power of teamwork, unwavering strength that comes from facing adversity head-on. I have learned to push my limits, to trust my comrades, and to appreciate the value of shared purpose. I invite you to join us, to experience these lessons firsthand. Let's continue to strive for excellence together.
I am Cadet Major Roxette Enriquez, 2nd Class, the former OIC of the 624th DMST Outside City Colleges, serving from June 22, 2024 to December 22, 2024. I was also the former Head Corps Staff for S4 Logistics with the task to handle all the equipment in our desk office, and I'm currently the Head Corps Staff for S10 Finance Management. A brief recall with our achievement when I was still the OIC. Our batch, Class Talim Darak, successfully carried out a civil military operations event where we handed over school supplies to preschoolers that greatly helped them in starting their classes. And one of my personal achievements in ROTC was winning the gold medal in the PRG table tennis singles women's category. Also a gold and silver medalist in Southern City College's Grand Palaro Badminton Games single women's category. I can say that joining the ROTC has so much impact on me. It's clear that ROTC Advanced Cadetship has transformed me in many ways, changing me from a shy person into a confident and well-trained cadet. I've gone from not enjoying public speaking to becoming and performing in front of large audience. My mindset has shifted from a civilian perspective to a very well-disciplined cadet. The Advanced Cadetship program truly helped me shape into a better version of myself.
I'm Cadet Austin John Hapak, second class, the Corps Staff for Athletics. I'm responsible for monitoring the physical fitness and mental health of each cadet. This program challenges cadets physically and mentally, and building resilient, adaptability mind, and perseverance, and other qualities, which also gain the confidence, self-discipline, and skills that requires to excel as a future leader. Moreover, as an athlete officer, I am truly proud of representing and honoring the PAP ROTC, as well as my school, which is Southern City Colleges, for the opportunity and exposure in various local and international swimming competitions, specifically engaging with ROTC games, which I gained 5 gold medals, and for National Pusa Games, I gained 2 gold, 1 silver, and 1 bronze. Aside from such, promote wellness and become a role model for the younger generation. With this platform, I encourage everyone to be part of PAP ROTC. Join us in molding each one of us. Empowering
Aspirants,
Molding
Resilience, leadership
for tomorrow, be one of us. Join the PAF ROTC!
Be one of us!